Hey Wesley, my name is Brandon from Sublime Seo Pro, and in this quick video, I'm going to give you 3 tips and tricks so that you can outrank your top competitor online. So when you type in restoration company in Longmont, here is the front page of Google. You've got your Google Ads, your Google Map Pack, and the top organic searches. So I'm going to show you how your top competitor, which is Restoration 247restoration.com, they're showing up first on the Google organic searches. We're not going to worry about Yelp because that's a directory, but I'm going to show you what they're doing with their website that's allowing them to be on this top spot. Okay? So you're probably wondering why I am making this video for you in the first place. I realized a while ago that there are a lot of small business owners out there that are so busy running business and taking care of their customers, they don't really have time to learn how to do this. They don't know who an expert truly is or who is not an expert. So what I started doing was just creating an attack plan and sending this out to various small business owners, giving them a way to do this for free. Now, some people take this information and they do it themselves. Some people call me back and say, hey, you know what, Brandon? I like you. I just don't have the time or the tools or motivation to do this myself. Can you help me do this? Whatever you decide to do with this information is okay with me. My only goal is that you learn from this video and so that we can help you make a lot of money. Okay? So I'm going to talk to you about 3 things today: content, backlinks, and citations. So here's your website. It looks really great. It probably costs a pretty decent amount of money to make, or if you made it yourself, you did a great job with it. I love the logo. Everything looks really smooth. It looks great. Your services look good. It all looks great. The web design is phenomenal. Now, my question is this actually generating business for you? So content, let's talk about content. So Google cares mostly about content when ranking a website. So we'd say content is king. So the average site on Google has about 1,500 words on their homepage. Okay, so that would be a good starting point for you. So I went ahead and I copied and pasted everything on your front page, and you've got about 511 words on your homepage. So if I were in your shoes, I would start there and get at least 1,500, if not 2,000 words on this front page. Okay, so what is in the content matters even more than the number of words. So you want to place what we call buyer intent keywords throughout your website. So these are keywords that people are commonly typing into Google when they're searching for a service that you offer. So I didn't see a lot of keywords in here. So I'll explain. So a keyword would be something like fire damage repair in Denver or in Longmont, for example. So I typed this in Longmont because that's where you guys are based out of. So let's look at this. So here's your domain. Don't get too confused about this. This is Ahrefs. It's a paid tool that you can use, or that we use, but you can use free tools. But you've got 188 keywords that is helping you generate about 136 views or people to your site per month. Now, this is usually not reported correctly. It's usually 5 to 10 times this. So great start for sure. Now let's look at your top competitor, which is 247 Restoration. They're coming up on that #1 spot right before Yelp. So here is their website analytics. So they have 474 keywords compared to your 188 keywords. So what I would do is check out their keywords and choose buyer intent keywords. So Colorado 247, 24-hour restoration, these aren't necessarily keywords because anybody in the world could type this in. Plumber referral program, that's not a keyword. Here is a keyword or key phrase: water damage restoration in Westminster, restoration Denver, water damage Boulder. These are all keywords, and you can see the volume that people are searching for these every month. So I would use all of the same buyer intent keywords these guys are using and more, and get those into your site along with 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage. So that's where I would start, okay? The second thing that I would do is we need to talk about backlinks. So a backlink right here is something that links back to your website. So it's another website linking to yours that drives traffic to your website. So Google is like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy, relevant websites linking back to yours. Okay, so not all backlinks are created equal. Just because you have 688 backlinks doesn't mean that they're trustworthy to Google. So you will get a lot more power having other home service companies, HVAC companies, plumbers, insurance companies linking to you rather than, let's say, Pizza Hut, because Google knows that you're not in the food industry. So you have 688 backlinks from 85 different websites, and along with your keywords, or excuse me, that's your competitor. You have 632 backlinks coming from 142 different websites, and along with your keywords, this is generating, 500 to 1,000 people to your site every month. Okay, so let's look at theirs. So they have a handful more backlinks from 85 domains, but they're getting a lot more traffic than you are. They're getting about double the traffic. So what I would do is go into their backlinks, and they've done all the hard work for you, right? So right here, 19 best Fort Collins water damage restoration services. So you can click on these websites and you can get listed on these. You can list your own company here, and that is considered a backlink. So I would go find all these and put yourself into these websites and link them back to your site so that you can not only beat their keywords, beat their content, but also beat their backlinks. Okay? And this third thing I'm going to go over really quickly is how to get listed in this Google Map pack. Because people searching on their phones, which most people are nowadays, this is coming up first. So you want to be on this top 3 spot right here. So in order to do that, we need as many citations as possible. So a citation is when you have your business name, address, or phone number listed in a directory. So you want to have yourself listed in more directories than 24/7 restoration. So I would go find out how many directories they're in, list yourself in all the same ones and more. So if they're in 150, put yourself in 250 so that you can also beat them in citations. Okay? So that's all I had for you, Wesley. I'm going to let you go now. If you don't have, you have 2 options here. You can get started on this on your own. And the sooner you start doing this, the quicker you'll have a better online presence. Or you can get back with me if you have any questions, and I can go over your goals with you and see if it might be a good fit for us to work together on this. Either way is fine with me, Wesley. I appreciate your time, man, and I look forward to hearing your feedback on this. Thanks so much.